Hi, today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Samsung device to Samsung Galaxy Tab A 8.0. Firstly, open Play Store on both devices and download an app called Send Anywhere. Now open it. Click I accept, choose confirm, continue and allow. You want to go with send on Samsung device and receive on Samsung tablet. Then to transfer all of your data, click on all of these dots and tap send. But I don't want to do that because it will take a lot of time, so I will only select this one photo and tap send. Then click got it, and from here there are two ways to connect. You can scan QR code or input password. If you wish to scan the code, all you need to do is tap on this icon over here, select allow and point your camera at the code. But I will just type this password. And now when I click done, I can see that my file was successfully transferred. If you want to check it out for sure, you can always go into My Files app, select in my case images, and Send Anywhere folder is over here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!